Hey, what's up, guys? My guitar is back with another episode of lesson. Okay, guys. So for today, I want to show you some best way. Okay, you can play your pentatonic scales. Are going to sound better. Okay, and give you more harmonic improvisation when you're soloing. Okay, in case you want to solo, you can solo with your pentatonic that makes it sounds nice and awesome. Okay. All right. So, guys, if you know that this is the first time watching my video, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button, okay? Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video like this, guys. So I want to shout out a thanks to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Thank you guys for always tuning in. Thank you for tuning into this channel. I really appreciate you guys, okay? So if you have any challenges on the video, I would like you to hit on the comment section. Just drop it in the comment section. I'm going to give you a reply as soon as possible. Okay, so guys, I'm going to do this lesson very quick and fast for you guys to understand, but make sure you watch it to the end. Don't miss any part so you don't miss out anything I'm going to show you. Okay, it's an awesome way you can play your pentatonic to have some to understand the fretboard as well. Okay, so I want to do the lesson in the key of C. C is most familiar key that a lot of guitarists they use in playing their scales and the pentatonic as well. Okay, so this is the key of C. Okay, we have it here on the third string there. Sorry, on the fifth string. We have it here on the fifth string. Okay. Okay, this is your key of C. Okay, so you have it here again on the third string. Okay. That is the key of C, okay? Okay, this is your pentatonic shape. Your pentatonic shape is made of 5 notes, which is the do, re, mi, sol, la, okay? Do, re, mi, sol, la, okay? Do, re, mi, sol, la, do, la, sol, mi, re, do. Okay, so you start again, do, la, sol, mi, do. Okay? Okay, so I want to show you another way you can play that pentatonic. 2 ways you can play the pentatonic to sound good and sound better. Okay, now we have the 5 note, which is a do, re, mi, sol, and la, and do again. Okay, so if you start from this shape, you have your sol here. Okay, you have your do. Okay, you have your do here. Okay, you have your do here. So if you start from this other shape, from the sol here, okay, you can have your sol, la, la, do, re, okay, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi. Okay, from your sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la. Okay. Sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la. Okay. Sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, la, sol, mi, la, do, la. Okay. La, la. On this shape now, start from here. Okay, so from here you can have so la. So with this connection system now, you'll be able to, you can use it to maybe improvise on a particular song, like if you want to make some soloing, something like that. Okay. Okay, so that is how the pentatonic shape work. Okay, from your sol la do re mi fa la 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 mi fa la la la. Okay, sol la 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 mi la. Okay, sol la. Okay, so that is the number one way you can improvise your pentatonic shape to sound more better, sounds more good. Okay, so the number two shape you're going to play your pentatonic shape to sound good is playing stuff like this, play something like this. Okay, stuff like that. So you can use that to also solo over a chord changes. Maybe for instance you are playing like a 6 chord La to a major 7 there, which is the Mi chord, okay? Then you can improvise with that pentatonic sequence there, okay? Okay, stuff like that. So it's going to sound better. So what I'm playing is a Mi sol la do la. Okay, Mi sol la do la. Mi sol la do la. Re do re mi sol mi. Okay, do re mi sol mi. Sol la do re do. Okay, sol la do re do. Re mi sol la sol. Okay, re mi sol la sol. So you now go to the 6 strings now. Sol la do re mi re do la. La do re mi re do la. Okay. Okay. So that is how it sounds. Okay, so stuff like that is going to sound better in your playing as well. Okay, so wherever you don't understand, hit me on the comment section. I'm going to give you the reply as soon as possible. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.